Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet is to make a tough decision or to do something unpleasant. Let me give you some examples. He had to bite the bullet and fire his best friend who was not performing up to par. The CEO bit the bullet and laid off 10% of the staff to keep the company in the black. In the black is an accounting term. In U.S. accounting, you write profits and income in black and expenses and losses in red. So if the company were in the red, it would be doing poorly. Let me just give you a little bit of history of bite the bullet. Hundreds of years ago, even 100 years ago, during a war or during a battle, doctors didn't have anesthesia on the battlefield. So if the soldier had to undergo an amputation or surgery, they would give the soldier a bullet to bite to endure the pain. That's where the idiom comes from. Bite the bullet is today's idiom, to make a tough decision or do something unpleasant. Today's idiom comes from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.